Cash, demand concerns overshadow launch of new Tesla model. Shares of Tesla fell about 4% Friday as investors wondered whether its unveiling of an electric sport utility vehicle will add to pressure on cash flow, while analysts worried the carmaker is not addressing slowing demand for other models. Tesla, which introduced a cheap $35,000 version of its Model 3 sedan last month and is struggling to convince backers its business model works, on Thursday launched the Model Y compact SUV, built on the same platform as the Model 3. Shares of the company were down 4% at $278.08 in early trade. Some Wall Street analysts had raised concerns that demand for the higher-priced Model 3 was slowing down in the U.S., especially after a reduction in the federal tax credit this year. The launch of the Model Y also reignited worries that Tesla would need to raise cash sooner than later. Two Tesla analysts, both known as Tesla bulls Gene Munster from Lu Ventures and Yvonne Fienseth from Tigris Financial Partners, said the company would likely need to raise money later this year. Cowen's Jeffrey Osborne, who has an underperform rating on the stock, agreed. Tesla said it would debut a long-range Model Y next year with a range of 300 miles 482 kilometers, priced at $47,000, as well as a standard version, priced at $39,000, in 2021. Tesla has been cutting jobs and closing stores in a bid to make profits. It expects a loss.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.